Cobol skills are still in high demand. Follow Pacta Cobol training.
Thousands of freelancers trained in AI, no-code, automation, and vibe coding. But no jobs in sight. Meanwhile, a few Cobol developers are shaking hands with their new employers. This video is not science fiction. It reflects today's job market reality. While trendy tech skills are everywhere and highly saturated, Cobol remains a hidden gem. It's not about hype. It's about real demand. Cobol is still running the backbone of banks, government systems, insurance companies, and many large organizations. At Pacta Cobol, we believe it's time to bring this language back into focus. We offer affordable training options, simple lessons for complete beginners, real examples you can try, and plenty of useful videos on our Pacta Cobol YouTube channel. Whether you're looking for stability, reskilling, or just curious, Cobol is worth discovering. Watch the video. Think differently. Learn Cobol.